Hi, my name is Sandy Cairns, and I'm a board member for the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit. Today I get the distinct pleasure and honor to say a big heartfelt thank you to all of you. 450 employees plus over 120 that we've brought on board to help out with this COVID-19 pandemic over the last couple of years. I know it's been tough for a lot of us, and I know that you guys have been redeployed in different areas, and it's not the norm by any means. But we just want to say thank you for going over and above the call of duty to help out, to keep us safe, to keep us healthy, and to let us know the information that we all need to know about how to protect ourselves and to protect others during this pandemic. You all have been rock stars, and I just want to say a huge thank you. And thank you to those who continue to do their job to keep the health unit running. That is so important. And now some of us will be going back to our normal positions, and some of us will be continuing on with the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to say again, huge thank you, and we want to wish you all well, safe, and happy year. Enjoy your summer.
My name is Cipolla, member of the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit and councillor for the City of Iridium. Over the course of the last couple of years, we have had over 490 volunteers from across Simcoe Muskoka support the COVID-19 mass immunization clinics. You helped with welcoming and guiding clients through the clinics, distracting children while needles were given, cleaning and disinfecting, and creating a smooth client experience. Volunteers included the over 200 who signed up directly with Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit, as well as support from the volunteer teams from the Georgian Bay General Hospital, Iridium Soldiers Memorial Hospital, and Matthews House Hospices. A very special thank you to Renee Goudet, who was the volunteer coordinator. So on behalf of Dr. Gardner, staff, and the citizens of Simcoe Muskoka, I would like to thank you. You help us to save many lives, and a very special thank you for helping our medical staff to save lives as well. You're truly, truly superheroes for Simcoe Muskoka. Thank you.
The board has full confidence in Dr. Gardner. He has demonstrated superb leadership to the board and inspires staff with his thoughtful approach to making decisions and implementing change. Throughout the pandemic, he has sought to inform the broader public on issues and change to provincial announcements. Dr. Gardner is approachable, but at the same time provides effective leadership. On behalf of the board, I sincerely thank Dr. Gardner for his exemplary service, dedication, and hard work throughout this pandemic, and the implementation of many strategies to keep the public safe.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gardner, Medical Officer of Health for the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit. I'd like to say a few words of commendation and acknowledgement, starting with my staff. It has been over 2 years that we have been struggling to lead this community through the response to the COVID-19 pandemic. And through that time, my staff have been redeployed and doing work that they weren't accustomed to doing before that, and keeping me up for a 2-year period of time. We've seen a doubling of our staff at times, and then a repeat of having staff come back again, and I really want to acknowledge everybody for all of this. The additional hours that people have put in, their inability to take vacation time or comp time, and in many cases, the struggles that they've had at home as well, dealing with the pandemic on a personal front, illness and family, isolation that we've all experienced. So I really want to thank you for this. The fact that we've all worked from home and not been able to see each other in person, I want to acknowledge as well. So just thank you so much for all that you've done and continue to do, knowing that the pandemic really isn't over and we have the potential for more to come. I really want to also acknowledge our partners who've contributed and joined us in the response, and the many, many people who volunteered as well. Over 600 people have volunteered to help us with their clinics. We've had municipalities that have offered locations and staffing, and of course hospitals have had to respond to the pandemic, primary care and community pharmacies all contributing to the response. And finally, I want to acknowledge my Board of Health, who have led and governed us through this, have been stalwart supporters of staff and all that we've done, and guided us with regards to finance and major decisions that we've had to make, the major policy decisions that we've had to make, and been liaisons back to our municipalities, and ever supportive of us. So thank you, one and all.